All right, so we're still trying to tidy up a few things on this 2000 Dodge Ram here. And one of the things on my test trip out to Savannah and back was the blower motor started squealing. And then shortly after that, it started vibrating everything. So I'm just going to go out on a limb and say it's bad. So we're going to go ahead and pull this out. So this is just under your glove box, passenger side, and it's just right there. It's deceiving, it looks easy. You just got these, there's 3 bolts, one there, there's one right up here, easy to get to, and then there's one straight in the back that I am trying to figure out how to get to right now. And anyways, it is as simple as 3 bolts, just one of them's hard to get to. All right, before we start pulling bolts out of here, let's get the harness that's right here. It's pretty simple. Just pull back on this little tab. There you go. Comes right off. Easy enough. So now I'm going to try and get that hard bolt back there first. Let's just take care of the hard one first. What's in my way? What is that? What is that? What is that, guys? I don't even know, but it came off the blower motor, so you tell me. There we go. It's coming out. Got it. I just used a little swivel and an extension, and I used my hands. I broke it free with the ratchet, but the ratchet was too hard to work with, so I just used my hands. Okay, looks like we got an insulated cover that goes on. So we'll slide that on the new fan. Line that up. There you go. We're just making sure that this opening here is lined up, because that tube that I was wondering what was, that this is where it goes. All right, I'm going to use some of this 3M butyl stripping caulk. You can see here it's just peel it off. And then I'm just going to put it right around the outside here, so it has something to seal against when we put it back. All right, this tube that I was trying to figure out what it was, still don't know what it does, but it goes into here and then it goes somewhere on the truck. I'm not sure where. I'll have to figure that out before I put it all back together, but we'll just get this in there. Okay, so you can see how that goes. All right, so before I put it up in there, I decided to go ahead and clean out up in there. Anyway, I found where this end goes. If you look right here, there's this bracket, and it slips right in here. I don't know if you can see it or not, but yeah, it just goes in there. It looks like it's some kind of a vent or some way to get some air into the cool the motor. Not sure, but that's where it goes. All right, let me get all the pine straw out of here. All right, so a bracket I showed you, this goes into that bracket that it holds that in place, and then it's turned up. There's a place for it to go up into. So just so you know. Let's see if we can't get this in and get couple of the easy bolts started before we go try to tackle the hard one. Aha, and it's tight. All right, let's get the electrical hook back up. Like that. And there you have it. One blower motor swapped out. My suggestion is tackle the back bolt first. It's hardest. Get it out of the way. But the swivel came in handy. They're not very tight, so you can usually, you think you can just use your hand and twist it off. We're going to call this done. Appreciate you guys watching.